everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Hairunisa and you can call me Fira. Now I will explain about Sperm Monday. I will explain about Sperm Monday in several aspects. For the first aspect regarding the origin of the Sperm Monday. Then the Iceland, the third is the flora and fauna of the Sperm Monday, and the last is the administrative location of the Sperm Monday, Iceland. Starting from the first aspect is regarding of the origin of the Sperm Monday. It is said the term spermone was given by the Dutch, which come from the word sperm or sperma, because from the air this island looks like the movement of sperm in rows. Then the Spermonde archipelago. Spermonde archipelago is a group of about 120 islands of the southeast coast of Sulawesi, Indonesia. This archipelago has an area of about 2,500 km and consists of about 50 vegetated islands and 70 unvegetated sandbars. About 50 islands are inhabited, and this archipelago also has several islands that have their own charm, including Kapoposan Island, with the best diving spot in Makassar. Then there is Samolana Island, which hosts spirits, and there is Leyte Island, which offers a calming sunset. In there also is also Koding Karangkeke Bunaken Mini Makassar. The third is the flora and fauna of the island of Supermonde. In the island, you can find a number of flora and fauna that are widely available here. And lastly, the location of the very unique Supermonde archipelago. For the first aspect, regarding the origin of the Supermonde. The Spermonde Island themselves can be briefly explained as an archipelago name which has originally one of the names of the island in the south and part of Makassar. The arrival of the Portuguese and in the past is recorded by history and early marker of the emergence of the mention of the Spermonde Island. The Spermonde archipelago includes part of the west coast of Makassar, Pangkep, and Baru Regency. The Spermonde Islands are divided from the name Spermon Island, divided from Greek, which refers to a goddess, the goddess Spermo, grandson of Apollo in Greek mythology. Spermonde can also be described as goddess who has considered in the past, able to change anything she touched and become a grain or seed. In the past, there were 57 islands that the Portuguese included in the Spermonde Islands group. Call it the island of Kalukalukuang group, which consists of 8 islands. Postelion and Portonastar consisting of 52 islands. It is said that each group of in the Spermonde archipelago group is ruled by Galarang, whose status is the same as the leader or village head. In 1952 until 1955, there were few changes, although the system of government has not changed. However, the naming has changed slightly, namely using Japanese. Initially, the Makassar segment became Makassar SE, which at the time has headed by Makassar Sitjo. Church established 1946 or 70. Their archipelago was then separated from Gemet Makassar, with the chairman of the customary council Abdurrahim Deng Tupu at the time, who has also the former head of the Makassar district, which customary members such as Galarang Balalempu, Galarang Sapuka, Galarang Salero, Galarang Kalukalukuang, and Galarang Kodingareng. And then, after Indonesia took independence from the hands of Japan, the Spermandi Archipelago, which was once the foremost underfundling Iceland, became part of the Makassar Stangishment. In turn, later in the 1960s, finally returned to being part of the district of Pangkajene and Iceland or Pangkep. Since then, Pangkep has officially become a level 2 autonomous region, overseeing 9 sub-districts named Pangkajene, Bungoro, Labakang, Marang, Balochi, Segiri, Mandele, Liukang Tupabiring, Liukang Kalmas, Liukang Tangaya. It is recorded in history that the first again the level 2 autonomous region of Pangkep Regency at the time was Malarangeng Ding Matutu. In the and then the Iceland in the the Iceland in Spermandi Islands. The Spermandi Archipelago is a group of about 120 islands off the southeast coast of Sulawesi, Indonesia. This archipelago has an area of about 2,500 kilometers and consists of about 50 vegetated islands and 70 unvegetated sandbars. About 50 islands are inhabited, and there are several famous islands that are very beautiful and charming, including Kapopokosang Island, the best diving spot in Makassar. Kapopokosang is located in Liukang, Tupabiring District, Pangkep Regency, South Sulawesi. The island is still in the Spermandi Pangkep Archipelago area, or about 70 kilometers from the center of Makassar city. Although the name Kapopokosang is not as famous as other tours in South Sulawesi. This area offers panoramic views of the underwater world and the most interesting diving and snorkeling spot in Sulawesi and South Sulawesi. That's because the beauty of the marine life in it is still preserved. There are several dive spots here, such as Sharks Point, Tanjung Point to Aquarium Point, where travelers friends can play with fish, sharks for example. There is also a turtle hatchery, which is one of the rare species in the world. Second, Samolana Island, the ship works. Samolana is a small island in the Spermandi Archipelago, but has an undeniable charm. The attraction is the underwater panorama, which is very beautiful. So, friends travel can do activities in the water such as snorkeling or diving. In addition, the island also hosts several ships relics for World War II. There were at least 7 ships sunk in the island area. Among them, Area the Maru ships, the Lancaster bomber ship, and the Hako Maru cargo ship. By now, the ship has turned into reefs. This is what makes a tourist interested in swimming among the rocks. And the third, Lailai Island offers a charming sunset panorama. The island, which is located on the west side of Makassar, is one of the places for snorkeling with its blue and not deep sea, and rare sea urchins around the coast. Lailai Island is the perfect for friend travelers who like to swim in the sea or just take a bath. If the weather is sunny, the combination of the beach and the white clouds in the sky becomes a very beautiful sight. Lailai Island is also famous for its charming sunset views. It is suitable as a place to vacation and relax. The quiet atmosphere is also suitable as a place to escape from the bustle of the city. And then endless Kuningaran Keke Island of Mini Bunaken in Makassar. This uninhabited island has actually long been known as one of the beautiful pieces of paradise in Makassar, South Sulawesi. Then, along with the times, these islands become famous, both in its own country and abroad. Therefore, it is surprising that adventures, both local and foreign, make this island of one of their targets and enter in on their travel list. Usually, tourists visit here for snorkeling or diving. Speaking of snorkeling or diving on Kadingari Island, it reminds of corals beautiful marine life such as Bunaken Marine Park. Although it is not as complete as the Bunaken snorkeling and diving. Kadingari Island is also enough to spoil the eye with amazingly beautiful underwater scenery. The third is the flora found on the island of Spermonde. Land flora can be found in considerable numbers and variation on Kapapasang Island, upstream ponds Bamamang and Suranti. The potential flora and mainland of Kapapasang Archipelago includes the remain three species, namely coconut sea pine, and breadfruit. The dominant marine fauna in Kapapasang Island are various types of aquatic fish, both as food fish, ornamental fish, and marine tourism objects. Food fish were named by Lucianus de Cusates, Siganus spp, and Naso spp. Fish that have the potential are ornamental fish and tourists. Extension are dominated by the species Hemipterally Pilapis and Chaetodon claini from the Chaetodontidae retrieval. Each of the types of fish can be found in coral reefs explored around drop-offs. And the last is the administrative location of the Spermonde Island. The location of the Spermonde Island is in southeast of the island of Sulawesi in the south to Parepare in the north. And the Spermonde Archipelago region covers part of the west coast of Makassar, Pangkep, and Baru Regency, and we can conclude briefly the islands in the Spermonde Archipelago are actually in the administration of three regional governments at once, namely at the Makassar City Government or Pemkot, the Pangkep Regional Government or Pemda, and the Maros Regency. So that's enough for me. Well, this explanation that I have to say. Thank you and goodbye.